DrawingFinder is a simple tool that will help you check if items in the assembly have drawings. To open it, click on the ribbon icon. At your disposal is a menu with instructions divided into appropriate categories. You can also use the toolbar. To enable it, click the View menu, Toolbar. At the bottom of the form, you'll find information about the vault and connection status. This is important if you intend to use the search in Vault. The first icon indicates if vault was found on the computer. The second one informs about the status of the connection. To search in Vault, all conditions must be met. Vault should be installed. Version of Vault should be compatible with DrawingFinder, and user should be logged into Vault inside the Inventor. For quick login, you can simply click on the icon of the connection and enter Login with password. To start working with list, you have to choose the assembly. There are 3 ways to do this. The first option, using the file browser. Choose the right file. Second option, selecting an assembly from Inventor. Pick the item you want to choose. The last one is to set the active document from Inventor. To do this, just click the button. If everything went well, the correct path to the file should appear in the field below. Now, select the appropriate filters and press the Load button. Filters allow you to show or hide selected conditions. Output list. It's the results list that contains information about each item in the assembly. Show only the assembly. Show only files without drawings. Or show everything together. You can also mark items with different dates, which working only when searching in Vault is enabled. When the list is ready, you can export it to a file. There are 3 formats to choose from, like standard text file, CSV file, or Excel file. Choose one. Put the file name. Save. And that is all. The entire list has been saved to the file. In addition, a simple menu is available when you click on an item in the list. And Free Memory button. It works by closing all open files. This is important when opening assemblies through the browser because in that case the files are loaded into memory as invisible. Using this method, you can easily remove unused resources. In the Help tab, you will find User Manual, Activation Form, and information about extension. Thanks for watching.